Right. So this is called real numbers. So defined by f of x is equal to 1 plus x square. So now by the observation, what we have to understand is it is not a 1 1. First I will tell that it is not a 1 1. Why sir? So why mean x square term negative and positive will give the same positive value only. Therefore, the one element have no one image. It is not a 1 1. First, it should be understand. So without drawing the figure also we can tell it is a antuna, not a antuna. It is not a onto. Reason is square term. All are getting the positive range only. No question of negative range. Therefore, it is not a onto. Simple, we are going to say that it is neither 1 1 nor onto. So without doing the problem also in objective, we take the answer immediately. Once again, see, real numbers, domain also real numbers mean, so 3, 2, 1, 0, -1, -2, -3, -4 up to minus infinity. This is the domain real numbers. Okay, now in that one fractions also we have codomain. So 0, 1, 2, 3 and dotted plus infinity. So 4, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So we can go like that one. Here is a -1, -2, -3 up to minus infinity. It is a codomain R. Second set is the R. First set also R. Both are defined by 1 plus x square. Okay, now see. So everyone observe. So here x is equal to 1. X is equal to 1. 0 means it will become as a f of 0 is 1 plus 0 square. 1 plus 0 square is the 1 only. Finish. Okay, na? X is equal to 1. X is equal to 1. F of 1 is equal to 1 plus 1 square. That value is 2. For 1 is the 2. For 1 is the 2. For -1, x is equal to -1, f of -1 is equal to 1 plus -1 square. Its value also 2. -1 also representing the 2 only. Therefore, it is not a 1 1. Reason is one element have one image, but two elements have one image. Therefore, it is not a 1 1. Is it clear? Not a 1 1. Next, all are getting the positive values only. Next, x is equal to 2, we get the 5. X is equal to -2, we get the 5. We are getting the range is positive values, but not getting the negative value. Therefore, it is not a onto function. Therefore, it is not a onto function. It is a clear, Amma. So, Rani, it is clear. Rani, it is clear. Now understand. Okay, now Rani. So one element has one image, but two elements have one image. +1, -1 have the same image too. Therefore, it is not a 1 1. Is it clear? Next one. So we are getting the range is the only positive values. Range is the only positive values, but negative values are not getting. Codomain and range is not equal. Therefore, it is not a onto function. Therefore, neither 1 1 nor onto. Is it clear, everyone? So, seventh problem. It is clear, everyone? Right. Next, I go through the. Yesterday, we are in the eighth problem. Eighth problem, I hope that one part is completed, one, but I will explain once again. You can see. Okay, na? Right. Everyone see the eighth problem. Small confusion is there in eighth problem. What is the A, B are two sets? Let A and B are two sets. A and B are two sets. F is a mapping from Cartesian product A cross B is the domain, B cross A is the codomain. A cross B is the domain, B cross A is the codomain. Next, F of AB is equal to first element is the A set element, second element is the B set element. It give the codomain element is B comma A. B comma A. This is the given concept. First I will write, it is a 1-1, not a 1-1. I will write basic, that one we can work out. So 1-1 function. First I will write the definition for all A1, A2 belongs to A set, B1, B2 belongs to B set. Second elements are in this B set, first elements are in the A set, such that F of A1, B1 is equal to F of A2, B2. That implies A1 is equal to A2 and B1 is equal to B2. We have to show that. Okay, now we will take F of A1, B1 is equal to F of A2, B2 by the above definition. F of A comma B is the reverse order. The codomain is the reverse order. B1 comma A1. So by the given definition, F of A comma B is the reverse order. Nichal is given, not onto Nichal. Eighth one. Now see, by the reverse order, B2 comma A2. By the coordinate geometry, two coordinates are equal, corresponding elements are equal. By the coordinate geometry, two coordinates are equal, their corresponding elements are equal. That means B1 is equal to B2 and A1 is equal to A2. Therefore, A1 is equal to A2 and B1 is equal to B2. Therefore, F is injective. F is injective. Is it clear, everyone? F is injective. Now we are go through the onto. Very carefully observe. Small confusion is there in onto only, but one is a clearly understand. But small confusion in onto only. Very carefully observe. So onto function is. Everyone observe onto. So onto is if y belongs to codomain, that is the codomain of y belongs to codomain of R, y belongs to B cross K, sorry, y belongs to B cross K, there exists X belongs to A cross B. There exists X belongs to A cross B. Then F of X is equal to F of Y. F of X is equal to F of Y. See everyone. Here Y belongs to B cross A. Y belongs to B cross A. Automatically Y will become as a B comma A. Y will become as a B comma A. Okay, now, now B comma A is the definition of A comma B. B comma A is the definition of A comma B. A comma B is the elements of A cross B. A comma B is the elements of A cross B. So A comma B. So A comma B, they exist. A comma B are the elements of A cross B. That implies X belongs to A cross B. X belongs to A cross B. So therefore, f of x is equal to y. F of x is equal to y. So it is a surjective. Once again, I will explain. Everyone observe. So y is the element of B cross A. Y is the element of B cross A. That means y is equal to B comma A. B comma A is the definition of f of A comma B. F of A comma B. A comma B is the element of A cross B. A comma B is the element of A cross B. Therefore, X belongs to A cross B. Therefore, f of X is equal to Y is the relation. Therefore, f of X is equal to Y is the relation. That means every element of A, B, comma, B1, comma, A1 have the pre-image in domain, and B2, comma, A2 have the pre-image in the domain. So that is the meaning. Okay, na? So it is onto, sir. Yes, it is a onto. Therefore, F is subject to. Therefore, F is subject to. So it is a both one and onto. That implies F is bijective. F is bijective. Okay, na? F is bijective. Once again, I am going to give an. So once again, I am going to give an observer. Y belongs to this set. Y belongs to B cross A. What is the meaning of B cross A? First element is the B, second element is the A. So B cross A, Y is equal to first element is the B, second element is the A, because of Y belongs to B cross A. B cross A means first element is the B, second element is the A. B comma A is the definition of B comma A. So B comma A is the f of A comma B. B comma A is the f of A comma B. Understand? B comma A is f of A comma B. A comma B is the first element is the A, second element is the B, means A cross B. So A comma B is the A cross B. Understand, Anichal? So therefore X belongs to A cross B. We start with Y, we end with X. Therefore, f of X is equal to, this is the X element, A comma B is the X element, f of X is equal to Y. F of X is equal to Y. Is it clear? Understanding? Now, once again, see, Y the element of B cross A. Cartesian product B cross A mean B element is the first, A element is the second. This point is understand? So B element is the first, second element is the A. B cross A. See, what is the definition of B cross A? Is the f of A cross B. Okay, na? A cross B. Now I will write here, see. So this is f of A. First element is the A, second element is the B, means A cross B. First element is the A mean, so A, and second element B means capital B, A cross B. A cross B is the domain set. Domain set elements are X. Domain set elements are X. Now f of X is equal to Y. Now it is clear. Now it is clear. Abhay, clear? So now it is clear. So see, once again, Y belongs to B cross A. B is the first element, A is the second element. Y is equal to first element is the B, second element is the A. This is by the definition, B comma A is the f of A comma B. A comma first element is the A, second element is the B mean f of A cross B. A cross B means domain set. Domain set elements are X. Domain set elements are X. Therefore, Y is equal to f of X. F is the subjective. Now it is clear? By now it is clear? Okay, na? Right. Everyone see. Ninth problem. Everyone observe the ninth problem. What is the ninth problem is? Everyone write ninth problem. Domain set also natural number. Codomain set also natural numbers. Okay, now F is a mapping from N to N. Next, what is the given? Defined by F of N is equal to N plus 1 by 2 if N is odd. N is odd, then you can use this definition, N plus 1 by 2. And N by 2, if N is even. For even numbers, we can use this definition. For even number, you can use this definition. Domain also natural numbers. Domain also natural number. Codomain also natural numbers. Okay, na? So first I will draw the figure. So domain 1, 2, 3, 4 natural number. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 up to natural numbers infinity. This is the domain set. Okay, na? Natural number. Second one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 up to infinity. This is also codomain set. Codomain set. Is it clear? Now, for odd numbers, what are the odd numbers? Is the 1 is the odd number, 3 is the odd number, 5 is the odd number. For odd numbers, use this definition. For even numbers, use this definition. For even numbers, use this definition. Odd number, 1 plus 1 by 2. Odd, n is odd. 1 plus 1 by 2, its value is 1. So therefore, for 1 is the 1. Next, 3 is the odd number. 3 plus 1 by 2 is equal to 2. For 3 is 2. For 3 is 2. For 5, 5 plus 1 by 2, that is equal to 3. For 5 also this number 3. Okay, na? 5 also this number. Next, even number take even numbers. 2 is the even number. 2 by 2 is equal to 1. For 2 also 1. 4 also even number. 4 by 2 is equal to 2. For 4 also 2. For 4 also 2. 6 is the even number. 6 by 2 is equal to 3. For 6 also 3. That means what we have to understand, tell me. What we understand, tell me. One element have one image, one element have two images. One element have no one image, therefore it is not a 1, 1. Not 1, 1. Very good, Nichal. Not 1, 1. What about Antuna? Not a Antuna. See, every elements have mapping. Next 4 also have. Next 5 also have. Next 6 also have. Next 7 up to infinity numbers have the infinity mapping. It is a Antuna, not a Antuna. Antu, very good, Vasuraj. We Antu. Okay, na? Antu also, very good. Subject to teacher, very good. So it is a, now write down. How can you write? Right? Representation is the most important. Representation is the most important. Therefore, it is not a 1-1 number. First 1-1 write down. Not 1-1 write down. It is not a 1-1. It is not a 1-1. First write down. Everyone write down. First everyone see. 1-1 is for all two elements we can take in the domain of natural numbers such that f of x1 is equal to f of x2. That implies x1 is equal to x2. Okay, na? For implies x1 is equal to x2. So now we can see for odd number f of 1 is equal to, what is the value of 1? For even number f of 2 also 1. Odd number. So downside write down. Odd number definition is a 1 plus 1 by 2. So odd number 1 plus 1 by 2. Everyone see. For odd number definition is 1 plus 1 by 2. Its value is 1. For even number 2 by 2, its value also 1. Odd number, even number have the same image. Therefore, f is not a 1-1. Every odd number and even number, every odd number and even number have same image, same image. Therefore, f is not injective. F is not injective. Is it clear? F is not injective. Is a onto means it is a onto. So all codomain and range both are equal. Codomain and range both are equal. How can you write onto relation is? Everyone see onto relation is. See onto relation is. Everyone observe onto relation is. What is onto is? Let y is equal to f of x. Let y is equal to f of x. Y have the two cases. First case is y have the two cases. Case 1, for odd numbers, y is equal to f of x is the n plus 1 by 2. Case 2, for even numbers, y is equal to n by 2. So here 2y is equal to n plus 1. 2y minus 1 is equal to n. Here is 2y is equal to n. Any number multiply with two even numbers. Even numbers have the mappings. 2y minus 1 is the odd numbers. Odd numbers also having mapping. Even numbers also having mapping. Odd numbers also having mapping. Odd numbers of codomain. Odd numbers of codomain have pre-images in domain. Pre-images in domain. Next, here is write down. So here is write down even numbers of codomain. Even numbers of codomain have pre-images in domain. So odd numbers also have pre-images and even numbers also have pre-images. Codomain is equal to range. Codomain is equal to range. Codomain is equal to range. Therefore, F is surjective. F is surjective. But it is not a bijective. Because of justify, your answer is a bijective, not bijective. Not bijective should be write down. Not bijective. You should be write down. It is not a bijective. Finish. Okay, na? Clear, everyone? Clear, everyone? Right. I go through the 10th problem. What is the time? Okay. 4 minutes is there. I go through the 10th problem. First, we move towards 10th problem, everyone. Move towards 10th problem. Here, 10th problem is, let A is a real number without 3. 3 is subtracted, means cancelled. And B is a real number without 1. 1 is cancelled in real numbers. F is a mapping from A to B. A is the domain, B is the codomain. F is a mapping from A to B. F is a mapping from A to B. F is a mapping from A to B. A is the domain, B is the codomain. F of X is defined by x minus 2 by x minus 3. X minus 2 by x minus 3. In domain, 3 is not there. In codomain, 1 is not there. So in domain, 1, 0, 1, 2, no 3, 4, 5, up to infinity. This is the domain. -1, -2, -3 we have. Only +3 is not there. Up to minus infinity. This is the domain. What is the codomain is? 0, no, 1, 2, 3, 4, up to infinity. -1, -2, -3, up to minus infinity. This is the codomain. This is the codomain. Domain is without 1. Codomain is without +3, and codomain is without +1. Okay, na? Right. What they are asking is the f of x is given. First, I will put the 0. X place is the 0 means what value we can get? See, -2 by -3. 2 by 3 is the fraction. It is also clear. 0 have the one image, that is the 2 by 3. And one substitute, 1 is there. One substitute. 1 minus 2 by 1 minus 3. Therefore, -1 by -2, 1 by 2. 1 also have one image. Every element have one image. Therefore, this is a 1, 1. So now I will prove. Everyone see 1, 1. For 1, 1 function, take f of x1 is equal to f of x2. So for all x1 comma x2 belongs to A set, domain set. F of x1, x replace x1 minus 2 by x1 minus 3. X replace with x2, x2 minus 2 by x2 minus 3. Cross multiplication, right on. Cross multiplication, x1 minus 2 into x2 minus 3 is equal to x1 minus 3 into x2 minus 2. Multiply x1, x2 minus 3x1 minus 2x2 minus 2x2 minus is the +6 x1 x2 minus 2x1 minus 3x2 plus 6 plus 6 plus 6 cancel, x1 x2 cancel. Okay, now all bring on the left hand side, x1 terms minus 3x1 plus 2x1 minus 2x2